have a panel hearing system soon. So I announced that the deadline will be October 22. So most probably, yan na din yung deadline nung, yan din na day yung panel. Okay? Okay. So let's establish muna na meron tayong technicalities that we need to consider when it comes to design. So, yan yung area tabulation. So we already did this for your research paper, di ba? So siguro kailangan lang natin i-establish kung paano yung breakdown niya. So for the entire building, 100%. Ganyan. And then, kayo bahala kung paano nyo siya i-breakdown. So for example, per floor, meron kayo percentage per floor, gano'n. Kasi di ba, ang entire building, that is your TGFA. Di ba? Per floor, may GFA per floor, may NGFA per floor, and then you tally all of that, that is equivalent to your TGFA. Di ba? So, ang area tabulation natin, that would be the percentage allocation per program. So, hindi siya necessary, pwede nyo siya i-further breakdown per floor, ganyan. So, kayo bahala kung paano nyo i-tabulate yung area. So, just refer to this. So, pag sinabi natin gallery spaces, usually, naka-differentiate yan siya. Since atin, hindi man siya full-blown museum talaga, di ba? So, changing exhibits, ganun lang man yung atin, di ba? So, collections and non-collections lang yung percentage natin breakdown further sa gallery spaces. And then for the library, di ba we discussed this, it's 65-35. Ano ang 65? Ano ang collection area? So anong meron sa collection area? Yung bookshelves and yung computer area. Okay? So, ang functional service areas, anong laman yan? Everything else. So, ano ang functional? Yan na yung reading areas. Yung may mga chairs, tables, ganyan. And then sa public and educational function natin, yan yung conferences and social functions. And the support functions or the service functions, yung last natin na program. So all in all, our 4 main programs, ito yun. So, gawin nyo is first, ang area tabulation natin, space allocation per program, per main function. Gets? And then, after further breakdown into the different subcategories per program. Gets? Okay? So, parang ganun lang. So, na-startan naman natin siya, meron na siya sa research natin. So, siguro refine lang natin konti. So, when we do our program analysis or the program articulation, insert lang natin siya. So, parang filler siya sa pages ba? Di ba? Pag magawa kayo nitong mga program analysis, parang forms siya, and then naka-highlight ano yung mga specific areas, tapos sa gilid may pie chart. Ganun lang. Ganon, okay? So, ganon. So, magamit parang interconnected itong dalawa. The data that you have here can be connected to your program analysis or programmatic concepts and program articulation. Tapos sa library functionalities lang, please provide yung mga flow and processes natin ha, yung parang borrowing, returning of books, mga ganun lang. And then, for example, paano gina-arrange yung mga libro, yung mga back of the house, ganyan. So, mga functionalities lang dyan ng library, yung flow processes and sistema ng mga library. The next, pwede nyo, ito not limited to this, yung mga quiet to active, public to private zones, mga ganyan. Kayo gawa ng own concepts ninyo. Kasi di ba parang each meron yung kayo different types of learning, mga ganon. Di ba you have different types of concepts. So now you articulate that into space or architectural programming. So dito yan na part. And then after, ito lang. So for the panel, siguro si Steven, baka ito ang kanyang i-focus with regards to your established community. So make sure lang that we have a basis, we have a strong basis when it comes to the role of the public library sa community na ipilit ninyo. And then, may basis talaga tayo when it comes to kung ilan yung ating nakuha na total number of users ng ating community na maggamit ng ating library. So ito lang i-strengthen dun natin, this part the role of the library in our community, the basis for the chosen community, the user demographics, kung sino yung maggamit ng space ninyo. Like let's say, based on the community, it's more female compared to male na community member. So therefore, ang inyong design is parang gender responsive towards the female residents. Parang ganyan. Gets nyo? Or if for example, located siya highly in a parang young population na area. So meaning parang mas marami yung parang pangbata na mga facilities, ganyan. So, or like for example, if the community is inclined towards the aged population, so parang madaming facilities for the aged population. Ganyan lang. Okay? So, strengthen lang your user demographics. Kung students, mas madaming student facilities. Mga ganun lang doon na type of discussions dito. And then, impact and influence of your public library to the community. Okay? Then, this one, meron na ito, na-highlight na natin. Just show lang siguro, discuss the key design factors. So, gipa-isa-isa kong illustrative. So, kung ako, para hindi na kayo mahirapan, yung inyong one sheet, lagay nyo sa PowerPoint agad. Okay? So, parang ganun na lang. Discuss nyo na lang kung paano na-apply yung key design factors sa library per slide. Parang gano'n. So, kung ano yung laman ng sheet ninyo, diretso nyo nilagay sa PowerPoint para hindi mahirap. Then next, site selection to site analysis. So, again, when we present, 15 minutes. So, ano siya? Storytelling. Parang, it will start with your basis for the community. Char-char lang good. And then, after nyan, which leads, thus our group chose this vulnerable community. Ganun lang. Char-char lang. Tapos, i-discuss nyo yung site selection criteria ninyo, ano yung site analysis ninyo, hanggang nag-evolve siya to your form. Ganun lang should always, guys. Go back to site planning na always talaga context sensitive, not necessarily only to the environment, but to this community. So, ganun lang yung way of discussion natin. Until you present nyo ang inyong form, lahat ng program articulations ninyo, and then your branding elements, wayfinding systems, and yun, that's it. Yun lang. Okay, so 15 minutes siya, para lang kayong nag-pitch. So, hindi siya masyadong technical siguro ang presentation natin. Ito lang yung technical na side. And then, more or less, we try to showcase John the skills na meron kayo. Like, kung skills set ninyo when it comes to presentation. As well as, na hindi shallow ang inyong design process. Your design process should be justified. Like, every decision in your design, bakit dyan ang placement ng ganito, bakit ganyan, should be justified. Okay? So, revisit lang your research papers, revisit lang yung inyong design process, na at least, when it comes to the jury and panel system, ma-defend natin ang maayos ang ating output. Okay? So, content, everything, completeness yan siya. Design process, everything is parang naka-flow, nag-make sense ang everything up until you came up with yung final design ninyo. And ang presentation, of course, yung skills ninyo when it comes to softwares or whatever. Okay? So, questions, clarifications? None? None?
Sali ka sa plano.
Oo. Kami dalawa siguro and si Ma'am. Yeah, kasama ang skill model sa presentation. Okay. Hindi na, kahit kung ako building ng job, kung kaya up until the access roads. Yun lang. Kasi always yun din ha, pag mag-go kayo ng site plan, similar with your scale models, parang reflect your access roads, reflect the adjacent site, ganun lang. Wag na yung entire community. Okay. Sige. Questions, clarifications. October 30. Kayo lang, by group. Kayo lang. Basta magpa-consult lang kayo. And then, ito lang, kasi starting week 11, mag-thesis defense na. So, encouraging you to attend. Kasi wala din akong other time, so mag-conflict talaga ang thesis defense with our classes. So, by those days, wala na masyadong klase. Okay? So, okay. So, questions, clarifications. Ngayon, i-run through ko lang ang progress checking. So, this week is the last week for secondary drawings. Next week would be the scale model na progress checking. Okay. So, ayun. Hindi pag kasi usually arrows and then birds lang yan ang gadget. And destination. Basta yung birds yung destination. Ganun na lang. Sample lang man yan. Bigyan nyo lang ako ng sample. Hindi lahat. Parang isang typical na. Okay, meron lang kayong map dito na sige.
Concept board.
Ang concept board, presentation lang tayo. Ay, PowerPoint. PowerPoint and then your scale model.
So wala nang concept.
Concept sheets po sir, kayo yung sheet na talaga. Yung marami masyadong.
Same last time. Hindi.
Let me think. Wait lang. Kasi kung ipaano ko, tatlo mo ng panel, expensive masyado.
Hindi na kaya.
Expensive masyado. Primary drawings na lang i-print. One copy.